Hey everybody, welcome to my shower. And today I have this FabSpace shower, what's it called, Squeegee. And so we're gonna give this thing a shot here and see how this works. This is the little squeegee thing here. We have the handle, which is gonna hang up there. See what else is in here. Everything's wet in here, so I don't wanna attach it just yet, but there's this, sticky tape. And okay, and then here is a little handle for it. So it's gonna go, you can see this little button here to connect it up. So you slide it on in there. I'll go maybe this way. Yep, there we go. And then once we get to that middle section, it snaps in. So let's see how this is here. Oh yeah, that does way better than my other one there. You can kind of see it just squeegees it right off. Wow. I've been using this thing here, and I don't know what this is made from, but it's disgusting and it just does not do a very good job. Everything here is spotted. So I got myself this new one here. I'll put this one down, I'm gonna get rid of it. And now look at that. It does really good. Wow, very cool. I still have some spots from the other one still. But this is gonna be nice. I'm excited. I'm gonna just go and squeegee everything. So that's how it works. So this one's nice, way better, and it's gonna have that little hook that I'll connect it up here in a minute. But there's the tape, and the hook is right here. So that will just hook up here, and then that'll just fit in there really nice. And whoop, I can't even see it. So there you go. So it'll just hang up on here, and then that'll just go there. So it'll be super easy to access and to use. And very cool. So I'm gonna say this is awesome. Thumbs up for sure. Pick up one of these squeegees.